updating your legal name on Cato networks is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your name is updated quickly and efficiently. Step 1. Log into your account. Access your Cato networks account by entering your credentials on the login page. Make sure you have your username and password ready. Step 2. Navigate to Profile Settings. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use the SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Select Name Change option. In the profile settings, look for an option that allows you to change your legal name. This may be labeled as Edit Name or Update Legal Name. Step 4. Enter new legal name. Input your new legal name in the designated fields. Double check for any spelling errors to ensure accuracy. Step 5. Submit changes. After entering your new name, submit the changes. You may receive a confirmation email or notification indicating that your request is being processed. Once you have completed these steps, your legal name will be updated in Cato networks. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.